So what's not good about the Aprilia RS457? The fit and finish. I'm not saying it's bad, but it should have done a little better. Looking at the Ninja, उसका better लगता है fit and finish compared to this bike. There's no space for pillion. यहाँ पर जो बैठेगा वो 30 मिनट तक बैठ सकता है, उसके ऊपर बैठने के लिए बहुत difficult होगा उसके लिए. The other thing which I don't like is, man, this is very committed. आप इसको चलाओगे 30-35 minutes, आपको back pain या फिर neck pain हो सकता है. I hope this video was useful in case you're buying this bike. And for such more videos on bikes, please follow Engine Speaks. Thank you.